We are looking for sharp, curious minds who wants to learn fast and make a real impact. Our program is a great fit for you if you are at the end of your BA studies or currently doing your master's and can commit at least 20 hours a week. How the selection process looks like?
The first step is simple. Apply online by sending us your CV and telling us why you'd like to join.
After that, the next step would be a casual chat with our HR team, which is a great opportunity for you to get to know us and for us to get to know you.
After that comes a case study or a task where you can really show how you think and approach problems.
If you move forward, the next thing will be a technical interview with our experts to deep dive into your technical skills and expertise. Finally, you will have a unique opportunity to meet and interview with our CEO.
It's not every day an intern gets direct time with the person shaping the company's vision, and that's your chance to ask questions, share your perspective, and get feel for where we are heading.